Hello everyone. In this video today we will come to the hand complex. Okay, the hand complex consists of the wrist joint and the metacarpal bones and the phalanges. Okay, this phalanges makes the fingers. This metacarpals are the broad part of a hand, and this carpal bones are the wrist joint, okay, in a hand. So totally this part is known as the hand complex. So if we see this bones here, we can see the carpal bones. There are 8 carpal bones here in 2 rows, the proximal row and the distal row. Proximal means towards the body and distal means away from the body. So there is a proximal row and there is a distal row. We can say that there are 4 carpal bones in each row, but they are not aligned in a straight line. Okay, they are aligned haphazardly a bit. Like I'll show you. Here we can find 3 carpal bones and there is a carpal bone which is placed above one another. So this forms the proximal row, and in the distal row we can see almost they are in a line 1, 2, 3 and 4. The names of this 8 carpal bones are the trapezium, the trapezoid, the capitate and the hamate in the distal row. And in the proximal row we will see there is the scaphoid, the lunate, the triquetral and the pisiform. The pisiform bone is a very small bone which is present here above the other carpal bone here. Okay, so when we see this hand complex, we will see this is the dorsal surface of the hand surface. Okay, and this is the ventral surface of the hand. Okay, so if we see in our hand, when we place our hand in this way, we can say this carpal bones represents the wrist joint, this is the hand part, and this phalanges are the finger parts. Okay, this pisiform is a prominent part. If we palpate in our hand, this pisiform bone is a prominent bone which we can feel when we palpate our hand at this point. Okay, so further moving, this carpal bones are articulating with the metacarpals. Okay, there are 5 metacarpals, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which are articulating with the carpal bones. Now these metacarpals are further connected by the phalanges. If we see, this is the thumb or the first finger, which has 2 phalanges only, In our thumb we have 2 phalanges, so there are 2 phalanges. This is the proximal phalange and this is the distal phalange. Coming to the 4 fingers, we find 1, 2 and 3 phalanges. This is the proximal phalange, this is the middle phalange and this is the distal phalange. Similarly, if we see a finger, this is the proximal phalange, this is the middle phalange and this is the distal phalange. So we find that there are 3 phalanges each in the 4 fingers, but only exception is the first finger. Here we find only 2 phalanges. Okay, so overall we can see the hand complex comprises of the wrist joint, the carpal bones made up of the carpal bones, the hand part which is formed by the metacarpal bones, 5 metacarpal bones, and there are the phalanges. The thumb has 2 phalanges and the other 4 finger has 3 phalanges each, and they are connected each other through various joints, metacarpal joints and metacarpophalangeal joints, and these are the interphalangeal joints each. So hope you have understood briefly about the hand complex. Thank you.